guys! Welcome back to my channel where I make videos about tech, unboxing, product reviews, events, and some fun stuff. And for today's video, I will be showing you the very first mechanical keyboard that I got. And it's from ROCCAT. It's the Vulcan model. And it's the white tactile mechanical keyboard. So if you are interested in seeing what my mechanical keyboard looks like, and if you're also looking for a mechanical gaming keyboard that is of good quality and affordable, please keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get started with the video. So when I was looking for a keyboard, I had a few criteria in mind. So I really wanted to consider the following factors when I was looking for my very first mechanical keyboard. So it has to be full size, and I also wanted an RGB one. I also wanted white because my setup is all white. So I really tried my best to find a white one, and I think that's about it. I just wanted a full-size white mechanical gaming keyboard that is RGB, which is also affordable at the same time and has a reasonable price. So I have looked through different brands like Razer, Logitech, other gaming brands, and until I found the one that I like from this brand that I am not very familiar with, but they said it's a really good gaming brand. It's ROCCAT Vulcan 122. So this is the keyboard that I got, and I think I really like this. I looked into all of the features, and it has everything that I wanted in a keyboard that I am looking for. So it is white, it's RGB, it's mechanical gaming keyboard, it's tactile, it's full size, everything that I wanted, and it's within my budget. So let us get started unboxing this beautiful keyboard. I'm so excited to use this as well. Okay, so before we unbox this thing, let us read through the features first. And this one says that it's a tactile switch keyboard. There's different switches for mechanical keyboards, and I think that there's also different colors that corresponds to the different kinds of switches. Some can be loud and clicky, some can be really soft and quiet, but I'm not an expert on mechanical keyboards. In fact, this is my very first mechanical keyboard, so I just chose the tactile switch because when I was researching, tactile means that you don't have to press the key really hard to activate the button, and it helps you move to the next key easily and faster. So this is an RGB mechanical gaming keyboard, and at the back it talks about its speed, durability, and illumination. So it also shows you what kind of switch it has. So I think this is fast enough for gaming, especially if you are playing a lot of like PC games. I think this is more responsive and it's really fast. Durable, I don't think it'll break easily, just like normal keyboard. And illumination, this just talks about the LED lighting of the keyboard. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is now the mechanical keyboard and I'm so happy. It looks so good, but I haven't plugged it in yet. Also, I forgot to mention that it's not wireless. It's wired connected through this USB connection. But that's fine with me even if it's not wireless, because it's really hard to find a full size that is white and RGB like I wanted it. So this is perfect actually. So before we plug it in and try it out, I'm just gonna go through this manual just to see what the features are and yeah, like how to install it and stuff. But I'm pretty sure it's just plug and play. Okay, so now let's plug it in so we can try and test it out. Okay, so it's just plug and play, and as you can see, it's lighting up now and it looks so pretty because it's an RGB mechanical keyboard. And let's start typing stuff. So I just recorded how it actually sounds like, and I'm glad that it's not so loud like most mechanical keyboards out there. I still like the clicky sound of it. I think that it gives some ASMR feel to it because I'm into ASMR, but it's not very loud, like disturbingly loud. It's pretty... The sound is just right for like a keyboard to sound like, and it also really feels like very tactile and soft, I guess. I don't know if it's the correct description for it, but it's not like most normal keyboards that you have to like press harder in order for it to activate or register on the screen. So this just takes like, even if you press it halfway, it activates easily, so you can just type easily and move on to the next keys. So I really love this. I love the feel of a mechanical keyboard. I really haven't used one as much. So just to give you a closer look of what the keyboard looks like, so this is it. Okay, so yeah, and in here we have like a button. This is for volume. I didn't know what it was at first, but then I tried it and it's adjusting the volume to increase or decrease the volume sound. And yeah, this is to like mute. And I have a full numpad. I love this a lot. And this one is detachable, so if you don't want this, you can just detach it. I like this actually. So this is like a support, wrist support, I think. But yeah, this is it. It's so pretty. It's RGB. I love anything that's RGB, and it matches my Logitech mouse here and most of my setup. So I'm really happy. Okay, so there you have it. That's the unboxing of my very first mechanical keyboard. I really love it so far, and I hope it works well when I keep on using it. So I'm hoping to see you guys in my next unboxing video, and I am gonna enjoy my new mechanical keyboard now. Thank you so much for watching.